before the video start, I want to share something important with you all, because that's the very first time in my life to check out a hotel before the checkout date, not the checkout hours. So talk about the bad thing of the room. This is a non-smoking hotel, so people are like smoking in the hotel. The hotel staff can't do anything with that because they cannot find anyone beside me smoking the room. Soundproof is very bad. They have a big gap. Can you hear that? They had a big gap in the window. I asked someone to fix it. So most of the window has a big gap, and then like the soundproof is quite bad. And the worst thing is that last night I went out to a night market for 2 hours, and when I went out at 6 p.m., I asked the housekeeping to clean up the room, and then the staff told me that at the lobby, the staff told me that someone in my room double locked inside the room, which is no one inside. And I was kind of panicked, but my pickup is already here. So the staff told me everything will be fine. They will check for me. And then on the way to night market, I called to the hotel. Hotel was saying that it's the wrong information. They got it wrong room. So I think it should be fine in case the hotel got CCTV, and the hotel has got no any security camera. Allow me to show you all corner in my site. So there's no security camera over here. There's no security camera near to my room. There's no security camera at the lift lobby. There's no security camera in the lift. And I was told that the hotel has got no security camera from all the guest room floor and the lift. And the worst part is when I came back to the room, the door is left open. So I think it's quite scary to me. I went to make a police report that I know someone went into my room. Then, so for all the lift over here, I'm going to show you one of the lift. So you see there's a key card slot. So one of the lift, this one, you actually can come to the room, any floor without the key card. So I want to tell the hotel that there's something must be done because I think someone went into my room and they shifted everything. And I mean, not everything, they shifted something. So the hotel cannot provide me any information, anything to prove that there's no one. Oh yeah, this lift. There's no one can come into my room and sleep. So this lift, there's nothing. You can go to any floor without a key card. That's scary, right? So I'm going to check out now for my safety. And it's still a good hotel if you want to stay because it's very affordable. So I hope this opening is helpful for you. If you think that you need a safer place to stay, yeah, you can consider about that. I'm going to meet the hotel management now. My sister is just right behind and my nephew is over there. Just come to the hotel. So it's about now, it's 11 p.m. Need to do my check-in at the lobby. So this used to be called the Vistana Hotel and rebrand as the AC Hotel. Let's go check in first. I was upgraded to a club suite. It's amazing. Let me show you from this side. As you can see, this is my room, including this one. This corner is all my. So room number. What's the room number? Let me check again. 1508. 1508. My sister remembered that. So this is a guest washroom. This brand, I love this very much. The guest washroom is right over here, and my sister, my nephew, and thank you for this lady that arranged this for me to have some snack because that she know that I'll arrive here quite late. And then at the mini bar there is bowl tea. This is one of the tea from Malaysia that is very famous. Let me on the aircon a little bit cooler. And next instant coffee. And let me see the fridge, I guess it's here. Oh, no fridge. So kettle is a big kettle, and the TV sofa is very big. And let me show you the bedroom. Ta-da! It's very cozy. It's very what they call it? The aircon is strong enough. I can feel the temperature is different. So one hand sanitizing wipes over here, and another wipes over here. Universal power plug over here, that side, only one, if I'm not wrong, let me check again. Yeah, only one universal power plug on the bedside, but there's another one right over here. TV is here. Let me see, empty. Okay, my sister is here. I'm not going to do the big test in front of her. Okay, so this is a walk-in wardrobe. Amazingly nice. 2 bathrobe and iron board. The safe is a little bit small, but it's good enough for me. So this is the indicator for the Muslim friend to for the prayer. Oh, for this package, no, I booked for 10 nights. I got a very nice offer, but I cannot expose the price, but it's totally worth it. I got unlimited laundry. Okay, and bedroom slipper, all this. And let's have a look of my washroom. So here there is the amenity, the toothbrush, and shower head and cotton bud. Then the hand soap that I said that I like it very much. Oh my god, the hair dryer is it's gonna be a problem for me to dry my hair. And the bathtub, surprise! There's a bathtub right over here, and the standing shower right over here with the rain shower. And my favorite brand, I can assure you that the shampoo and the body soap is amazing, smell very good. So end of the room tour, let me spend some time with my sister and my nephew, and I'm going to have a 360 video. I have a good sleep, but as I think this hotel is more than 30 years or 20 years, so the soundproof is not really that good. So, but the bed is very comfortable. The air conditioning is very good. Water pressure is very good. Burning hot water instantly comes out. So when you have a shower, it's not a problem. And then I'm going to have breakfast now. So breakfast will be served at the lobby. I think it's in bento style or buffet. I don't know. Let me show you how the breakfast looks like. I'm at the breakfast now. They're lovely. They give the glove for you to contact with all the staff. Let me show you what the breakfast they have it here. They are fried noodle over here. It looks good, and they have nasi lemak as well. So let me put it close there. Thank you. Okay, let's see what the curry for nasi lemak. It looks good like this. Yummy. And the chili looks very hot. Scrambled egg, and then the grilled sausages. The next one is baked bean. They were told that it's a very. They told me that it's a very simple breakfast, but it looks good to me. And then the cereal, Cocoa Crunch, cornflake, honey star. I love honey star. And there's some topping for the cereal, Danish, and then the toast coffee machine, and they are using the Bond Cafe coffee. Good. And yeah, you can get, oh, there's two different types of the coffee. Looks good. So this is a breakfast area. I will have a simple breakfast and then I will show you the swimming pool and the gym. Breakfast was amazing, super good, very delicious. Love the nasi lemak. Coffee is strong and flavorful. And let me show you the swimming pool right over here. There are, oh, sweet wing. I'm not sure about this. Why they didn't upgrade me to a suite. Okay, swimming pool is nice. Overlook the view of the hill, Bukit Jambu if I'm not wrong. So there's a small baby pool and adult pool. Let me see, the depth is 1.4 meters, very deep. So you can take a rinse right over here. I have a great, what they call, sun tanning here for sure. It's not really that big, but like it's good enough for you to have a great exercise. So let's go to the, what they call, the gym. You need to go to the reception to get the key to visit the gym, lock the time, and hopefully no one inside yet. And I can take a better video. Oh, actually the gym is acceptable. There are the equipment that I need for the app, for the run, and yep. So this is a gym, not bad. I left the hotel 2 days early because of the safety reason. So, but I will still say that if you are fine with there's no security camera in the hotel and you're fine with the smoke and the noise, it is still a hotel that you can choose to stay, maybe for one night or maybe for a short trip, or maybe you don't have anything like laptop or bring a lot of cash or any expensive item with you. So it's still a not bad hotel to stay over. The things that I don't like for this is supposed to be a 10-night stay, so I can explore around Penang. Then the breakfast, I have nasi lemak every morning, the same nasi lemak, the same curry. They changed the noodle, like a little bit more of the noodle, and then the gym, it is still acceptable, but I would say that the staff, they did not control everything well, they did not handling everything so well. During my stay, I have got a few problems, which is that a lot of the guests during COVID time, they just walking around the hotel without mask, and the staff did not do anything. That's my concern. One concern number two is like when my room left open without lock, none of the staff can offer anything helpful, which is that there is no anything can prove to me that other than housekeeping went into my room or like anything else. They cannot provide me any incident report, so in case I want to claim my travel insurance for I changed the hotel, book last minute, 560 plus ringgit per night, so I booked 2 nights. It cost me about 1,000 plus ringgit. Then yeah, I would say that this is a hotel that have a great location near to the airport and surrounded by a lot of nice food, especially the one behind the hotel is called Jalan Kayu or Kayu restaurant, nasi kandar, super good, always long queue. With that, I think I got nothing much to say. It's like kind of a very crazy night for last night, so I decided to leave the hotel. But I hope that this video is helpful to you, that for you to make the decision to stay in this hotel or book another hotel. With that, I'm going to say goodbye now. Bye.